Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today you'll join myself and Richard and we've come out to Parys Mountain, which is situated near Holyhead. So what is all this one about, do you think?
Well, this area here, as you can see, the spoils around us. Not very, what you call it, but this was a open cast copper mine. And it goes quite far back in time as well. I don't know whether the Romans were here, I'm not sure on that one. People can correct me if I'm wrong on that, but there you go.
That is going back a bit.
yeah, but it has been going for quite a long time, and you will see later on, you know, the large pit, which is sort of behind us over there. The more modern day, which was an actual mine, as in like a coal mine, if you like. There's a winding house, you can't see it at the moment, but you will see it later on.
I'll show you in a minute, yeah.
And that is over in that direction over there. It was reputed they were going to reopen it to extract copper again, but whether that's came about, I don't know. That was about 2 years back. They were on about that. You do find as well within the copper smaller amounts of silver. So I gather they've done their homework and realised that it could be profitable to reopen.
Reopen it, yeah. Well, this place we've come out, it's a bit cloudy, but there are breaks of blue sky because the colours in this rock, they're quite unique. And if you can get a bit of sunshine on it, it really does make the colours pop. So hopefully the footage and the drone will get up, will reveal more. So we're going to get off. Hope you'll enjoy the video. If you can stay with us, fantastic. Okay then, we'll get going and hope you enjoy the video. Speak to you later.
See you in a bit.
Pause that if you want to have a read of that. One of the entrances into a mine, now cordoned off. The colours of these rocks. Quick look what we got in here. And there we have. Interesting. Oh, the colours here are absolutely unbelievable. I can imagine when the sun picks them out. You have to deal with what you're given though. Forecast was better than it. The forecast was better from what it actually is showing. But you can't have everything. It's still beautiful. It's Richard over there just getting the drone work. I've just had my drone up, as you may well have just seen a bit. Anyway, we're going to explore a little bit more down this little cavern. Get back to you. And it is one of the caverns, mines. Does it go anywhere or is it just blocked off? I think it's just blocked off actually. Yep, there we have it. Another cave down there, beautiful colours. And we're just on our way up to the tower. So I'll pick you up there. As you can see here, the heather and the grass, not a lot of greenery, but with the copper and the ore and all the elements, they're struggling to survive. And you can see up on the bank in here. Shame. So this was an old windmill, wasn't it?
Yep, and I should imagine to pump water out of the mines. I couldn't see any other purpose for it, but then again, I am not totally sure.
Well, we had a good fly around with the drone anyway,
Yeah.
including going in the middle of it and flying out. So you'll see the footage and where it's situated, and we're going to head to another little tower now and chimney, so we'll pick you up down there. See you later.
See you in a bit.
Richard lining up a shot of this little tower and chimney. Nice sky, do like that sky. Ooh. Twigs on the floor, and that is the reason why. Look at the nest. Quite a bloody big nest as well. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Hopefully it'll be a bit of a shorter one for you. But you can see how Parys Mountain with all them colours would be fantastic if you got a bit of sunlight on it. We were a little bit unlucky in that score, but it was still colourful enough anyway, I think.
Yeah.
So little chat, and it is only a little one today. Over a couple of videos back, we were talking about people wanting support and what people had said and what have you, and this actually just was that a phone? Yeah, people had put suggestions on about supporting each other. This sort of, I suppose, ties in it, because it's the topic's basically assumptions and people jumping to their conclusions. Well, we're not all the same, are we?
No, we all have our different traits and likes and way we do things.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you know, some people just make an assumption that you want as many subscribers as possible. Well, I'm not like that. I don't play that numbers game. My numbers game, if you like, is how many views I get in comparison to the subscribers. So they're more genuine, really. But I understand, like I've said before, why the others want it, you know, the other way. But to make an assumption that's what you want, because it's the comments that people will put on you know, and thinking, oh, I had one on my other channel, because on my other small channel, I don't even have a little icon for you to subscribe. I'd never appear on it. It's whoever's with me, like yourself or, you know, the other lads.
Yeah.
And it's just, 4 minutes is a long one, if anything. But 2 videos on there, as you know, they've just gone absolutely bonkers, haven't they?
Yeah,
One's
rocketed.
hit 13,000, 13k, and the other's on 8.5k. And I had 30 subscribers. That's how small it was. And this is, I should be pleased, and I am pleased for the views, but I'm not pleased with the quadrupling amount of subscribers. It's gone now to 130, I think, 120, 130, something like that. And I'm thinking, I hope they haven't subscribed on the basis of just 2 videos. Now, I'm not suggesting they'd go back and watch what's in, I know a small percentage probably would, wouldn't they, new subscribers? But going forward, the 2 or 3 videos after that, I've even been below the average, and I'm thinking, what have you subscribed for if you're not going to watch? You know, I don't personally like that. You know, I'd say if you're not watching, please do me a favour and unsubscribe. And I know that sounds mad. And one of the comments, which is where I was getting to, and I got sidetracked, was he suggested, whoever it was, I think at the time, I mean, it's gone, as I say, to 13k, and I think I was on about 7 or 8k views at the time, and not many thumbs up. And I said, well, you know, we'd all like more thumbs up, obviously, but you don't always get them. And to me, for what I'm doing the channel for, even on that channel, I don't really mind. And he took exception. I think he said the word balls. So in other words, I assume he thought that I was lying. So I just gave him a load of emoji, you know, basketballs, tennis balls, golf balls. So there you go.
Loads of balls.
It literally doesn't make, you know, and I was just being honest. I said,
yeah.
you know, yeah, I'd like more thumbs up, you'd think, but I mean, you know, but it's just jumping to the assumption that, I don't know, you know, people like that. It's like my Instagram account. People assume that they want more followers. I closed mine down. I had a love-hate relationship with Instagram. I did have 6,500 followers. And I just got fed up. And I had about a year sabbatical, and I was amazed when I went back to still have about 5,300, I think it was. And I tried it for about 6 months, and I just got fed up. And I thought, I can do without this. I've just got too many things going on with the vlogging and other sites. I'm thinking, nah, you know what? And I wasn't liking a lot of the stuff I was seeing. As you know, there's a few photographers on there, but a lot of it's just all the influencers, or you know.
Yeah.
So I thought, no. So I've just knocked it in the head, you know. And people saying, "Well, you've had that many followers." It means nothing, you know. They're just numbers again, because it's just the way it is. But yeah, I mean, I'm on too many sites. I mentioned I'm having a cull,
Yeah.
you know, and Instagram's gone completely. Yeah, and there'll be 1 or 2 other sites as well. But even on Facebook, you know, you have a look and you see something and you might give a thumbs up and you think, and then within 24 hours, if it was some sort of site or page, you're getting invited to like it.
Yeah.
Have you ever come across that yourself?
Well, I haven't, to be honest. I don't know, because then again, I don't post a lot on Instagram.
Right.
But
No,
whether
well,
that's why I'm.
this is Facebook. This.
Oh, Facebook.
Yeah, because
sorry.
I say I'm not even on Instagram now. Yeah, but I've noticed, and then oh, you liked that. I noticed you liked the page, you know, or something. You invited to. No, if I wanted to, whatever it is, like that particular page, I would have hit the like button for it. But it's just one. You know, you might have had one good photograph, if it's a photograph or what have you.
Yeah.
You know, I like that. But yeah, I mean, it's daft. I just say, what happened to good old common sense? Because, you know, it's people making these assumptions all the while. And is it related to mental health that they're thinking they're just so intent on wanting to grow, you know, like their popularity, I suppose, if they want that. I don't know, you know, I mean, I don't know. I say in certain quarters I understand why, particularly YouTube, because of money, even though you got to have thousands, so to speak. But yeah, I mean, no, we're not all the same. It's like dog walkers, I liken it to, you know. There's responsible dog walkers and there's irresponsible dog walkers. they're not all the same. Don't tarnish everybody with the same brush. But no, that was, I don't know if you've got any, you know, more assumptions that people make or what have you.
No, not really.
It's just, yeah, I say it's just a short one today. Anyway, so it's just a few thoughts that, and basically the bottom line is that we're not all the same. So, you know. Anyhow, hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll be out next week, all being well, weather permitting, what have you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. That'll be fantastic. So until next time, you know the score.
Yeah.
Stay safe, have fun, keep
Keep
shooting,
shooting.
and we'll see you then. Thanks, bye.
Bye for now.